Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a video of this. So today we are going to be doing a show around Days Inn. Alright, let's get started. We're going to be starting by walking in, and these are the elevators. We got 2 ThyssenKrupp Enduras. Both the hydraulics are in the pit. And let's give them a ride. Alright, here we go. Forgot this one. Okay. Let's go to 3 and let's listen to this motor. Let's go to lobby. Let's go down. The 3. There we go. There it goes. And that's it for that one. There we go. Cab view. Same exact one as the other one, but this one. Looking at the window this time. I'm gonna go look at the Kone over there after this. By the way, the cameras don't work. Alright, we're on the 3rd floor. Okay, let's go down. Alright. Here we go. Sorry for the background noise. And then you guys will hear the hydraulic motor. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of here and let's go to the Kone. Alright, here's the Kone. We got a Kone EcoDisc. Sorry if you guys can't hear me that well. I don't know what's wrong with my mic. Yeah, here's the cab view. One panel. Here's the other panel. The other one. Alright, well, let's take a ride on this. Let's go to slide and let's ring the bell so you can hear. Just work. No, shut yet. Okay, that's a quick one. Alright, let's go up. By the way, the motor on this is gearless. It's just in the shaft. Alright. Alright, let's go. By the way, again, sorry about the background noise. It's just my family. Alright, let's go ride the long hydraulic now. This, we can go to the basement on this. This is the only one that will go, this is the only elevator that goes to the basement. But not all these people, I don't know why the indicator doesn't work. There has to be a reason. Okay, let's go down. To be there. Let's go down. Okay, there you go. I don't know why one doesn't work either. It's just a weird thing. Maybe Diesel DC8 screwed it up or something. I don't know, but let's go to 3 and let's listen to this motor. Delayed sound, by the way. We're on hydraulic. Fun fact, this used to be a Westinghouse. Alright. On the way down, it's also very quiet. I can barely hear the motor on the way down. There's something messed up on the indicator. Alright, well, get out of this, and there it goes. And that'll be it for that one. Let's go to the machine room over here. Not machine room. And then we'll take a run up, I'll run up what's going down for you. Here's the alarm. Cortex. Alright, let's listen to the motor. Epic motor. Alright, let's go down to loading dock. Oops, pressed 3 by accident. I guess we're gonna stop on 3. Let's look at the panel. It's Miami Dover. Never mind. There's the. This is in the. By the way, both of these are in the same shaft. Opa. Okay. Both of these elevators are in the same shaft. Let's look at the panel. Wait. Move. Is that? Okay. It only does that on one case. Alright, let's go down. Let's watch the button. Oof. Alright, we got something to show you. The machine room. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's look at the motor going down. Alright, now here's the basement. Okay, let's go to close to belongings. It's Miami Dover, thanks to F5 Tornado Gray and Leo Plays. Thanks to Leo Plays Java. Okay. There we go. Alright. Here's this elevator. It's getting a new cab. This is how it levels. By the way, here's the machine room. I'm not gonna show you going up and down. I gotta put a light in that too. By the way, these both the service and I gotta move this too. That's the only changes that I'm gonna do in the shaft is move this thing. And then the service and freight are gonna be in the same shaft. I might have to make these rails longer and go. This place is still getting updated, even though this place is done. It's still under process still. Basement's not done. All right, let's go down. Here's the ground. Here's the ceiling. Cab view. Okay. All right, and then I'll run the door for you. There goes the TK. How are you using? Sorry about that. That's my mouse. I'm gonna adjust the up limit on this too.
Boy, get up on there. Move. You don't know what move means when I tell you to move. You're just stick your behind down there.
Alright, let's listen to Alright, please like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Here's Days In and the link will be in the description. Here's the parking lot. Alright, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.